Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 31. Today we are going through this Sooktha 9 of Mandal 1. Here the Devada is Indra. We have already seen that if we are doing any work, actually we are coordinating the activity. A coordinator is required. Likewise, if we are doing any work, inside that work, a number of chemical changes are taking place. Even breaking a stone, some bond structures are changing. So, inside the system, there is a force to coordinate the activity, and that force is known as coordinating force is Indra. So, what all things that is taking place in the universe, the same Indra is there. That coordinating force is inside that system to control the activity. So, let us first go through the mantra 1.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-1 ഋഷി മധുഛന്ദസ് ദേവത ഇന്ദ്രൻ ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി ഇന്ദ്രേഹി മത്സ്യ അന്ധസോ വിശ്വേഭി സോമപർവഭിഃ മഹാം അഭിഷ്ടുരോജസാ.
In this Sooktha, we are inviting Indra to our work and tells that we kept the Soma in purest form to satisfy you. Soma means inputs. We are giving inputs to the system to prepare hydrogen, water from hydrogen and oxygen. We are giving hydrogen and oxygen, and we are giving electricity or anything like that. So these are inputs. So you should satisfy these. Indra should satisfy these inputs, because then only with Indra will give the result, convert it into the product. For example, is for getting water we should give hydrogen and oxygen in the right proportion. If the proportion is not correct, or the temperature or that electricity is not correct in the required form, Indra will not convert it. So we should give. So Indra should satisfy the Somam for input, and it says you possess the required strength to take up the work. Now let us go through the second mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-2 ഋഷി മധുഛന്ദസ് ദേവത ഇന്ദ്രൻ ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി ഏമേനം സൃജതാ സുദേ മന്ദിമിന്ദ്രായ മന്ദിനേ ചക്രിം വിശ്വാനി ചക്രയേ.
In this, it tells us to prepare the Soma to satisfy the Indra. We should give it to the Indra. Actually, we are giving these materials to the system. The Indra is there to convert it, to coordinate the activity, to convert it to the product. So we are giving it to the Indra. That should be given in the purest form. So we should give the inputs in the with the required qualities and in required quantity. Then only Indra will satisfy it, and he will accept it, and he will convert it to the product. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-3 മത്സ്യാസുഷി പ്രമന്ദിഭി സ്തോമേഭിർവിശ്വചർഷണേ സചൈഷു സവനേഷ്വാം.
It says Indra is coming in the Soma festival. It is like a festival. If we are cooking something, a number of sounds are coming. There are a number of action taking place. It is like a festival. Like a festival, a beautiful things are taking place inside that pot. It is boiling. That means it is like it is dancing or like that. It is producing sound. Kettling sound is there. So this rishis compares to a Soma festival. That means Soma means inputs. So Indra will come there, and it again says that he should satisfy the Sooktha we are giving. The Sooktha means the science. Science we are going to apply in this manufacturing production process. Because Indra will convert it into the product if it is done based on proper scientific methods. To convert hydrogen and oxygen into water, Indra will not combine it if you give hydrogen and oxygen. If you put hydrogen and oxygen in the pot, it will not convert. This pot should be as per scientific method. And we should supply the energy in the form of electricity and in the required form. Then only that is science. The science behind, there is some science behind it for combining hydrogen and oxygen to get water. That is called the Sooktha, because in Veda is a science book. So all the Vedic stanzas are related with the science. That is Vedic Sooktha. So Indra should first satisfy the science we are applying. Then only he will convert it. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-4 അസ്രഗ്മിന്ദ്ര തേഗിര പ്രതി ത്വാം ഉദഹാസദ അജോഷ വൃഷഭം പതിം.
It also says that we are giving this science principle to Indra. It is approaching Indra. What all science we are applying to produce something from some inputs, we are giving it to the Indra. It is approaching Indra because Indra is coordinating the work to convert the product input to the product based on certain science principles. So we are giving these science principles to Indra, or it is approaching Indra. Now let us go through the fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-5 സംചോദയ ചിത്രമർവാഗ്രത ഇന്ദ്രവരേണ്യം അസദിത്തേ വിഭു പ്രഭു.
He tells Indra to give us different types of products, different types of beautiful things or useful things. Indra is capable to give a number of things. We can produce water from hydrogen and oxygen, we can produce jam, we can produce bread, we can produce industrial equipments or anything like that using different types of inputs and different types of technology. Indra is capable to convert all this into the product as acting as a coordinator. So he tells Indra to give us such different types of products. We are ready to do such work based on science principles because you are the lord of such actions. What all things that is taking place, what all methods we are going to use to produce new things, Indra is the lord there to control these activities. Now let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-6 അസ്മാന്ധസ്സു തത്ര ചോദയേന്ദ്രരായേരഭസ്വതഃ ദിവിദ്യുമ്ന യശസ്വതഃ.
It says it gives different ideas to the manufacturer or the person who are going to produce something, because to produce something we should first acquire knowledge, then only we can submit it to the in front of Indra to convert the input to output. So Indra is encouraging us to acquire such knowledges. Then only we can produce new different types of things. We are producing mobile, different types of mobiles. We are producing rockets, different types of vehicles. How? By acquiring knowledge. If we get knowledge, if we possess the input material, then Indra is ready to convert it into a rocket or anything like that. So Indra encourages us to understand the science behind this universe or behind this manufacturing process. Now let us go through the next mantra.
RIG VEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 9-7 Sam Gomadindra Vajavadasme Pradushravvo Brihad Vishwayurdheki Akshidam.
Here it tells Indra to give us goat. Goat means go, cow or anything like that. Actually, it is the wealth. The output may give us wealth and gives us strength. If we produce certain machines, we can use it for doing work easily. For example, vehicles are carrying us, and it helps us to travel with a very great speed. Certain machines are used to remove very big stones or anything like that easily. So the science gives us the strength. By producing such machines, we can get a power to lift or anything, to do any work easily by using certain machines. To produce that machines, Indra is helping in the process as coordinator. It gives us long life also. If our living standards improve, our life also will improve. It makes us famous also, because we are doing a number of wonderful discoveries. We are discovering different things, to go in the outer space, to see invisible things or anything like that, due to which we are becoming famous. So let us go through the 8th mantra.
RIG VEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 9-8 Asme Thekishravvo Brihat Dimnam Sahasrasatamam Indrata Rethinirishaha.
It gives thousands of things, new things. Indra helps us to produce thousands of new things, and that thing is very fast also, like a vehicle. We are traveling in a vehicle with a very high speed. Likewise, we can produce so many things quickly with the use of technology, science and technology, and Indra is ready to help us in producing such things. Now let us go through the 9th mantra.
RIG VEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 9-9 Vasor Indram Vasupadim Girpir Grananda Grikmiyam Homa Gandharam Udaye.
It says we should approach Indra with the scientific knowledge, study, scientific knowledge. We should praise Indra using certain scientific principles. If we use scientific principle, Indra is capable to do such scientific works, which will give wonderful results. So, to produce money or wealth or anything like that, we should praise Indra by using scientific technology. Now let us go through the last mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 9-10. സുതേ സുതേ നൂകസേ ബൃഹത് ബൃഹദയേതരിഹി ഇന്ദ്രായ ശൂഷമർച്ചതി.
Here it says, wherever we are giving soma or wherever we are giving the inputs to produce new things, we are inviting Indra to come there. And we sought the help of Indra to convert it into the product. We tell Indra, please convert it. We are giving these inputs to produce such and such things. So please come inside our system and convert it into the product.